guys, I'm Christina Vega and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of Play by Sephora subscription box for the month of June. If you love learning about Sephora's must-haves and product faves, keep watching. Okay, so before we dive in and play, a couple of things. In order for you to get the June Play Sephora box, you have to subscribe if you haven't already. You have until June 11th. No pressure. Head on over to Sephora.com and make sure you subscribe right now. One other thing is that not every Play by Sephora beauty subscription box is the same. So make sure your SephoraPlay profile is up to date, because what you may see here may not be what you will get at home, okay? Because this is customized to my skin type, my skin concerns, my hair type, which makes Play by Sephora even cooler. All right, you want to see what's inside? I want to see what's inside. All right, so here we are. Every month, this is what you'll get in the mail. Cute little box that you can use over and over again. We have 50 beauty insider points. I don't know about you, but I'm a fan of saving my points and getting like the big stuff, and then depending on what like the 100-point perks are. But no matter what, I'm psycho when it comes to points. So the fact that I get 50 points, that's already a bonus for me. I feel like that's a gift in itself. Alright, so now we open up this, and this is Destination Beauty. So it kind of breaks down all the products that are in my subscription box for June. And the theme is Work Harder, Play Harder, which sounds like the story of my life. Wait, I totally just got it. Work Harder, Play, like Play by Sephora. Alright, first product up is Belief. This is the True Aqua Bomb. This is how it looks inside. Alright, just going to take a little bit and apply it on the back of my hand. Let's see. Ooh, okay, well, one, I love that it feels very lightweight. Especially because, you know, it's June. You don't want a heavy cream on your face, so I love how lightweight this feels. It's oil-free and really good for anyone who just needs extra hydration into the skin. My hand feels super soft. I like this. So I would use this day and night, and definitely prep your skin before makeup. You always want to prep your canvas before you put on your foundation, your concealer, and I'm all about skincare before makeup. Bonus tip, you can actually use this as a 10-minute mask. I love anything that's multi-purpose. So if you're feeling really dehydrated, just need some extra moisture in your life, use this as a 10-minute mask, wipe it off, and you're good to go. Alright, let's see what else is inside. Why am I shaking it like it's a raffle prize? Anyway, let's see. We have the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And the color is in Intense Black. I feel like I need to try this on instead of talking about it. So we're just gonna... They were not playing when they said this was Intense Black. I start off with working in the middle. So I'm just going to go right in the center here and work really close to my lash line until I get to the outer corner. Whatever's left, I will work into my inner corner. And just kind of bring it all together like that. Follow your waterline and just pretend that it's still going up. And then from here, you're going to take the top, the very tip of the tail, and then bring it in. Well, now that my cat eyes are even, we can continue. Ooh, Kaja Mochi Glow. And the shade is called Toy Alien, which makes me love this highlighter even more. It's a cream to powder. It's very finger friendly, which means that it takes like 2 seconds to apply. I'm applying this on the top of my cheekbones. Other places that you can apply this besides the top of your cheekbones. Cupid's bow right here. I'm gonna do like a little on the brow bone. And a tiny bit, not crazy, but a tiny bit on the bridge of the nose. Notice I'm using my ring finger. It just gives like less pressure, and then I'll take any other finger to kind of blend it out. This is a really beautiful color. It's like a white gold. It doesn't look ashy on my skin. It's very light. Alright, what else can we play in here? Let's see. You have the Sephora All Day Hydrator. Oh, this smells so delicious. So I checked out the ingredients. There's vitamin C, E, and hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid helps retain water, so it helps just keep the skin really hydrated. Vitamin C is kind of like my favorite sandwich. I call it the BLT. So it brightens, lightens, and tightens the skin. And then vitamin E helps nurture the skin. So there's a lot of great ingredients in this moisturizer, so I'm really excited to test this one out. Mommy. Yes? Look. Next is the Laneige Lip Sleepy Mask in vanilla flavor. It smells like a bunch of berries packed in here. Okay, I love the scent. I'm not going to sleep just yet, but I want to try this out, so let's do it. Really, we know it feels amazing. But let's talk about the benefits behind it. So it has vitamin C, also antioxidants in it. So it's going to help really tighten. This is great for anyone to help prevent fine lines, maybe smooth fine lines, and also hydrate the skin. So if you have very dry lips in the morning or you notice flakiness, this is definitely something you want to try. Add a generous amount right before you go to sleep and you wake up with beautiful, soft, and supple lips. Alright, we have the beautiful highlight. We have several moisturizers to work with. My lips are hydrated. My cat eye is like still on because she is waterproof. And we have one more product to talk about. This is my bonus sample. So like I said before, you do get 5 products and you also get a bonus. You get 6 in total. And this is one of my favorite hair brands. This is DevaCurl Leave-In Decadence Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. So this is going to help strengthen, protect, and condition your hair. I use this like the second I get out the shower. So after I shampooed, conditioned, apply this. This is your first step. So this is your leave-in conditioner. If you have curly hair like me, or even if you're more on the dry side, whatever the case may be, you understand how important this is. Apply this first. Work this in small sections, about 6 to 8 sections from roots to the tips, and you'll thank me later. Alright guys, that was it. That was all of my June Sephora Play Box. I hope you love what you saw. Again, please head on over to Sephora.com and subscribe. You have until June 11th, so don't wait. Like, head on over right now and subscribe. It's only $10 a month. Can't beat that. Alright, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.